Welcome to the world of speed, power, and cutting-edge design. In this video, we're counting down the top 10 heavy bikes of 2024. From the racetrack to the streets, these machines push the limits of performance and technology. 10. Triumph Speed. 111-200 RS, the Triumph Speed. 111-200 RS brings you 180 horsepower from its 1,160 cubic centimeter inline-3 engine. This bike is as fast as it is refined, with advanced electronics and a lightweight chassis that make it ready for the track or road. 9. KTM 1290 Super Duke R H2R. Brace yourself for the raw power of the KTM 1290 Super Duke I H2R. This 1,301 cubic centimeter V-twin naked bike produces 180 horsepower with aggressive handling and a brutal design. It's not just a ride, it's an adrenaline rush. 8. Aprilia RSV4 Factory. The Aprilia RSV4 Factory is a V4-powered marvel, producing 217 horsepower from its 1,099 cubic centimeter engine. Compact, fast, and sharp, it's engineered for performance. This is the superbike that sets new standards for track performance. 7. MV Agusta Brutale 1000RR. Italian craftsmanship meets insane power with the MV Agusta Brutale 1000RR. Its 998 cubic centimeter inline-4 engine churns out 208 horsepower with aggressive styling and cutting-edge technology. This bike is a work of art, designed to thrill. 6. Honda CBR1000RR Fireblade SP. Honda's Fireblade SP is a racing icon. With a 215 horsepower, 999 cubic centimeter inline-4 engine, this bike takes precision engineering to the next level. Winglets and advanced electronics make it a track favorite for enthusiasts. 5. Yamaha YZF-R1M. This is Yamaha's flagship, the YZF-R1M. A 998 cubic centimeter inline-4 engine with 200 horsepower combined with carbon fiber bodywork and Öhlins electronic suspension gives you the ultimate control on both road and track. 4. Suzuki Hayabusa 2024. The legendary Suzuki Hayabusa returns with 1,340 cubic centimeters of refined power. With its 190 horsepower engine, the 2024 Hayabusa combines raw speed with ultimate comfort and sleek aerodynamics, making it perfect for long rides at lightning speeds. 3. BMW M 1000RR. Meet the BMW M 1000RR, a masterpiece designed for pure performance. Its 999 cubic centimeter inline-4 engine produces 212 horsepower, enhanced by carbon winglets and top-of-the-line electronics. This bike is ready for both the road and track. 2. Kawasaki Ninja H2R. This is the king of speed. The Kawasaki Ninja H2R, with its supercharged 998 cubic centimeter engine, pumps out a mind-boggling 310 horsepower, making it one of the fastest bikes ever created. Built for the track, this beast hits over 400 kilometers per hour. 1. Ducati Panigale V4 R. Unleash the beast on the track with the Ducati Panigale V4 R. Boasting over 240 horsepower with racing exhaust, this 998 cubic centimeter V4 machine delivers breathtaking power and advanced aerodynamics. Perfect for those who crave pure racing DNA on every ride. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on the latest bikes, gear, and riding tips. Ride safe, and we'll see you in the next one.